PayPal f***ed me again.
I'm being charged again. Somebody sent me money through my PayPal account, and every time I get paid through PayPal, it is so expensive. And I don't know if you guys are with me, but it's always anywhere between $80 for $1,000. It's sometimes $80 to $100. And I think this is one of the biggest problems for expats and digital nomads who are moving money around. They have to deal with exchange, with different banks. The system is all confusing. And on this video, we're going to talk about some of these hidden expenses. So the first one and most, I would say, relevant is PayPal. It's the most popular one. But kind of like the big problem here is it's very expensive. We're going to talk about PayPal. We're going to talk about your bank account in the US. We're going to talk about MoneyGram. We're going to talk about something that I found. It's called Sling Money, that uses cryptocurrency, stablecoin, so you can use it as a wallet for a stablecoin, but at the same time allows you to transfer your stablecoin money, your US coins, into any country, to any person. So I want to share these options, what people are using, and if you are if you're sending money, you want to share, put that in the comments below. That information will help somebody. If you find a good way, let us know. Put it in the comments below. I like to make this a conversation for all of us to learn more how to move your money abroad, because it is a big deal. One thing I notice is, we all know, when people decide to move abroad or retire abroad, what is the big reason? Is like, okay, I'm moving to Mexico because the food in Mexico is so affordable, it's inexpensive. I can get 3 tacos and a Coca-Cola for like less than $5. Yes, but what people do not see is the hidden cost of moving your money, and it's hidden because a lot of these companies they're not being clear and transparent. What they do is you put the money, and when somebody else receives the money, they receive it in let's say Mexican pesos, or in Costa Rican colones. They receive it in another currency, and they don't tell you exactly how much they charge. All you see is like, okay, this is the money that you receive, and if you don't do the math, if you're not on top of these things, what ends up happening is you're paying a lot of money, and a lot of people send every month $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month. And something else I noticed, a lot of people use workarounds, different workarounds. It's not just one single system. They use a combination between their local bank, and sometimes an app, their local bank, and then another bank in Mexico. And before you finish with all these different tools or workarounds, you end up paying a lot of money. It's called FX rate, the transfer fee, and it is also the exchange rate that is literally killing you. So let's start first with the most popular. I would think is PayPal, that is the most popular. And like I said, for $1,000, you could be paying $80 to $100. So that's a lot of money. And a lot of people already realize this. So a lot of people stop using it. So sorry, PayPal, I'm not gonna use you. In fact, I'm gonna stop giving my PayPal information to my customers, because it's literally killing me. Another important one, very, very wide use for those who have bank accounts in both countries, is just your traditional bank accounts. But you have to have a bank account in the United States and Canada, and another bank account in Mexico. And if that's your case, depending if you have a really good bank, you can get a $40 bank wire fee in the US, but the Mexican bank will also give you another fee, and that could be another potential 20, depending on your bank, $20, $30, $40. So for $1,000, you easily are paying $80. On top of that, they give you an exchange rate, and they make anywhere between 3 to 4% if you're being treated nicely. And then you end up paying $100. After all that, with your bank account, you end up paying at least $100. So your bank is because you trust your bank. A lot of people use that because that's what they like. But I still have problems. I've seen problems happening with that. I have sometimes cases where they lost my money for weeks, and they sent just last month, I had to pay 2 international wire payments, and I had two incidents where the money took well over 3 weeks, and I have to make the wire twice, and basically I end up paying a provider 2 times, $6,000 2 times. So then eventually the money appeared twice in their account, and they refund the money back to me. But that's crazy. So your bank, it's another one, but it could cost. And I do believe PayPal and your bank, or the combination between PayPal and the destination bank, are gonna cost similar, and they are very expensive. Another popular option is like Western Union or MoneyGram, and I did a little bit of digging for this, and it could be for $1,000, anywhere between $50 to $60. So it's not that bad. You're saving some money there, $50, $60, and it's cash. I mean, you can go to their little window and put the money in cash, and the receiver person could get their money in cash, but they also kill you on the exchange rate. And they said they use market value exchange rates on their website, but once again, it's still a good $70. It's always a little bit different, and the exchange rate changes, so you have to do your own testing on this. It's less expensive than PayPal, and less expensive perhaps to your bank account for most bank accounts, but it's still quite a bit of money. Now, the tool I found is something that is called Sling Money, and Sling Money uses crypto stablecoin, which is the U.S. official stablecoin. They use a combination between they use technology, and basically you use your cell phone as a stablecoin wallet, so you can use it just to protect yourself from the exchange rate. You keep your money there, and whenever you need the money, what you do is you make the money, you pay to yourself, or to anybody you like, any other person within their network. And it's very easy to share with people. You just send them a link, and then they can download the app and receive their funds, and from there they can transfer their money to their bank account in Mexico and their bank account in the US. Now, for this tool, you have to be careful not be careful, but it's not available in every country, but it's available in one of the most important countries, which is Mexico. So it's available Canada, the US, Mexico. Many countries within Europe also have this, and they're growing on their list of countries. And for those countries where they don't have the access to local banking, you can still use it as a stable coin wallet, which is pretty good. Now, please let me know what you guys think. I want your comments. If you found a better solution, please let me know. I'll be happy to make a video about any other tool that you guys think could be useful for the expat digital nomad community who is living abroad.